How would you feel if you are stranded in the middle of this busy road with horns blaring all around you? Or suppose this situation, that you stay near the airports and a plane is taking off or landing. How would you feel if there is a lot of noise created by public loudspeakers or crackers that are burnt during festivals? Yes, you are bound to be annoyed. So, any sound that causes annoyance is called noise, and the pollution that noise causes is known as noise pollution. Now, you are in your class, but there is a lot of noise in the background. So it affects and interferes in the communication and disturbs the peace of mind. It lowers the efficiency of work. It disturbs sleep and leads to nervous irritability. And finally, if your ears are exposed to loud noises for a prolonged period of time, then it can also cause permanent deafness to you. So noise pollution should be immediately prevented. Unnecessary blowing of horns, especially near schools and hospitals, need to be prohibited. Restriction on loudspeakers should be taken as soon as possible. Now, the sound generated at home, which is about 65 decibels, decibels being the unit of sound, is the maximum you should be in. Anything more than that, like honking of cars, which is about 95 decibels, and a prolonged exposure to such loud sounds can cause a permanent damage to your ears.